what we're going to talk about really today is really important thing, which is capital gains versus ordinary income. So the primary function of Cointelli itself is to help people to calculate their capital gains taxes. That's the literal core function of our software. So this is really super important to know. So there's capital gains are generated through three main activities: selling, trading, and making purchases. So typically if you invest, to give you perspective, if you're investing in stocks, then you would, if you sell off your stock and you make a profit off of that, that would generate a capital gains tax. With cryptocurrency though, there's many different ways that you can generate capital gains tax liability. And selling is just one of them. There's also trading. So you trade one coin for another coin. Making purchases, like if you use your crypto to buy some goods or services. And there's other less common cases, like investing in an initial coin offering or an ICO. And an initial coin offering is just like an initial public offering, like in the stock market, but with crypto, and also margin trading. So those are just what you need to know for today. Is just those are the main forms of generating capital gains, and those are a lot of the main transactions that we'll see in people's reports. Then there's also ordinary income. So this is a little bit different. Ordinary income is the kind of income that you'd earn from working at a job. If you go, you work, you go to the office, you have your W-2, your 1099, right? And so that's how you typically, that falls under the category of ordinary income. And in the crypto world, you can earn ordinary income generating activities in 5 main different ways. There's mining, staking, hard forks, airdrops, and also receiving payments for goods and services in the form of crypto. Each one of these topics we could talk about an entire discussion in of itself, but for now, just know the names. And then there's also at the bottom, you see non-taxable income. There's actually transactions that can take place that don't generate any tax liability, such as giving a gift. And so these are the 3 main forms of income generating activities.
Sorry, Brandon. I think before you move to the next page, I think there is a question from Jamun.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Would passive income generated through crypto be put into the category of ordinary income? And Daniel said, yes, it is considered as ordinary income.
Can I also ask a question?
Yeah, please. Sorry, I was talking a lot.
No, actually, this has been very insightful. Thank you so much for this. I think some of our audiences are very new to crypto. Would you mind also kind of share? I think mining is perhaps something that everybody knows, but I think in some terminologies such as margin trading, hard forks, and staking and airdrops might be some terminologies that's something very new to some of the folks here. Would you mind also giving a quick explanation of what those are?
Absolutely. Margin trading, as I understand it, is simply taking out a loan in order to invest, in order to purchase crypto with the hopes of actually making a profit off of it. So mining is actually very interesting. It's actually the process of validating the new blocks on the blockchain. And that's another way to earn income, because when you validate those blocks through mining, you earn cryptocurrency as a result of that. So that's why it's a form of income. And staking it's similar to when you buy a CD, right? You leave your money in the system for a specified period of time, and then you can earn interest on that. A hard fork it's essentially like when the coding changes in the blockchain, which actually ends up creating an entirely new currency, and then the old currency cannot fit on that new blockchain. So when you do a hard fork, you're actually giving up some of your current coin in order to get the new coin, and that's actually a taxable event. If I'm wrong, please correct me, some of my experts in here. But that's the hard fork. An airdrop is when it's typically used in marketing, when someone wants to release a new coin and they want to spread the words, they will do an airdrop. So you essentially get like free crypto at or a really, really, really cheap. But that's in order to, in exchange, you're kind of spreading the word about their coin. So if I release a new coin called, Cointelli coin, and, let's say I want, Marie and, Yujong to spread the word about it, I will airdrop you guys crypto. In exchange, you're going to talk about the coin for me and help to kind of spread the word so we can increase investment and get interest. So that's an example of airdropping. And also receiving payments for goods or services. So it's just like, if you do a job and instead of receiving cash, you receive, Ethereums or any of the cryptocurrencies that are out there. So that's probably the simplest one to understand. Is any of that unclear? I'm going to go in a little bit more detail in another lecture, but for now, was that clear to understand? All right, so that's everything for today. Check out the homework assignment. We're going to link it in the description down below. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.